beautiful morning here on Tinian, enjoying the wonderful weather out here. You know, one being Memorial Day, two commemorating the invasion of Tinian. The Marines march across the island to seize probably one of the most vital islands to have during the World War II.
What's important about this march is remember those who have come before us, fought and died here on Tinian from World War II up until present day, to commemorate their sacrifice to our country and our nation. Doing this march to commemorate the Battle of Tinian and remember those who made the ultimate sacrifice out here to secure our freedoms to this day.
Thanks.
First out here from Charlie Company 7th Engineer Support Battalion out of Camp Pellet, California. Here today honoring the fallen from Memorial Day with 13.6 hike, as well as a plaque unveiling. It's simply not enough to just say their names or etch the fallen onto marble. We really have to actually honor their sacrifices, tell their stories, and be about it, and honor the fallen. So that's what we're doing out here, the sailors and the Marines, and out here in Tinian, and it's absolutely amazing. And without the support from the VFW, and all the other supporting agencies here on Tinian would not be possible. So we're greatly appreciative of this opportunity, as well as honoring the fallen on this fine Memorial Day weekend.
My name is Senior Chief Mayola from Chicago, Illinois. I think one of the most important things about Memorial Day is as we progress forward and I feel like the military turns into a business, we forget about traditions, honoring our past. And I think Memorial Day, those are the times that we can get together to do something for the ones that came before us. Right? Everyone thanks us for our service now, but we don't get that opportunity to say thank you very often to the ones that came before us. I think Memorial Day is very important because we get to thank those that came before us, just like people thank us now.
Left, right, right. Left, right, left. Platoon. Halt. Left. Face. At ease. Stay in your head. Remember why we're doing it. Why we continue what we're doing. Good? Platoon. Attention. Pull out. here, gentlemen. Let's put this
of the Tinian delegation, the Honorable Senator Francisco Cruz, members of the Tinian Legislative Delegation, Chairman of the 18th Tinian Municipal Council, the Honorable Councilman Joseph Santos, members of the Tinian Municipal Council, the Platoon Commander of 7th Engineer Support Battalion, Lieutenant Zachary Elder, CNMI Historian, Mr. Don Farrell, members of the Naval Mobile Construction Battalion 4, U.S. Navy, members of Charlie Company from the 7th Engineer Support Battalion, U.S. Marines, families of Tinian's fallen soldiers, and
All right, see, here we are in the airport. We're just getting ready to head over. So. Miss Rose and Doc Tudor. So.
2 exits, one in the front right, one in the back left. You've got to get them open in emergency. Just move the latch from closed to open. And